Yo, 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 yo. We got that like 100-foot spruce tree cut down. The one that we've been watching on the stream for like 5 years. I've been out here for like 2 weeks trying to dig this thing out. I thought I could just burn it. Tried burning one over there. It didn't really work as planned. So I've been just kind of digging around it, cutting everything out. Today was my last resort. I was gonna go out and get a farm jack, but I thought, you know what, let's just try the 2-ton automotive jack first. And I can say successfully, it's actually moving. So that's nice. Here, let me actually lower this so you can see the movement. Just got 1 or 2 more roots on that side. But I just been using the Milwaukee hacksaw, a Diablo blade on it, the axe, and the 2-ton car jack. I'm hoping I can get it out today. But yes, it is possible to use a car jack to remove big stumps. You just got to get below it, because they don't work when they're on like a 45, right? They gotta be flat, or at least relatively flat, for them to actually pump. Grab this giant crowbar and you can see it moving now. It's just moving up a lot now. I think I got 1 more root just down where that crack is somewhere. Almost there, almost there. Well, broke the shovel. Unbelievable. That was a perfect shovel too. It's almost out. We've been slaying it out here. It is like super, super loose now. I could probably move this shit myself now. Oh yeah, look at that. Right up. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. It's got like 1 or 2 more roots. I can lift the whole entire thing myself. I got like a 6x6 under there holding it up. Just like 1 root right here. I got you on the stream right now, so hopefully we'll get a video of me ripping it out. I got you. It's flipped upside down. I fucking got it. I got it out. Yes. Woo. Well, you can take out a giant stump with a car jack, a Milwaukee hacksaw, an axe, and some fucking pure ass muscle. Mint. Peace, love, cheers. Before I end it, I did use a lawnmower to pull it out. It's way too heavy for me to roll it out. So good old lawnmower, mint, 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 mint. Now just gotta fill it back in and we are done.